Welcome back in on this Monday night. Our alert day going to continue through Tuesday morning. Just giving you the heads up, the potential of some icy, slippery travel first thing tomorrow morning. We are certain about this. By about mid-morning, it is all going to be turning over to rain, and any icy, slippery travel will be melting away. Outside downtown Toledo, we do have some active rain that is occurring. Now, what a difference just 1 or 2 degrees can make. We are at 34 degrees, and perhaps we've stayed just 1 to 2 degrees above freezing a little bit longer, which is allowing much of this to fall in the form of liquid and not necessarily widespread freezing rain. That is an element of good news. Still do have some freezing rain mixing in across southern Michigan, and I am getting reports because some of the surfaces that this rain is falling into still just below freezing, so it is freezing up on some area surfaces. Bottom line, just be cautious if you're going to be out late tonight or early tomorrow morning. Findlay's, though, at 38, Ottawa at 37, Defiance right on that line of 33, Hillsdale, you're at freezing 32, and reporting some freezing rain. And across the Toledo Metro, outside of a few slippery, isolated spots, we've maintained just above freezing levels for the past several hours. We're 36 in Fremont, 37 in Tiffin, at or below freezing across most of southern Michigan, and that remains our area. West of Toledo and up into southern Michigan, that does carry our greatest risk of any freezing rain. Here's that more widespread area of rain and freezing rain working out of Indiana and into northwest Ohio, where we've got the colder air that is tucked to the north and west of the Toledo Metro, and that's where our greatest ice accumulation risk will be tonight. The entire area is under a winter weather advisory, and I do expect overnight ice accumulations 1/10 of an inch, not out of the question. Some areas far to the north and west could get up to 2/10 of an inch of ice accumulation. So here we are as we get ready to cross to midnight. We've got that mix of some freezing rain and rain occurring. And the latest hour-by-hour forecast is more optimistic that we could make this transition over to more rain, especially south of the Turnpike, a little bit earlier than expected. By Tuesday morning, we're still battling that icy mix, though, across southern Michigan and areas far to the west of Toledo. And where that line exactly sets up is still very difficult to determine. It may be straddling the Toledo Metro as we go through 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. So we're going to call for pockets of freezing rain. Eventually going to make that change to all rain as we go through mid to late morning. And there it is. By about mid-morning, we're all in the form of rain. And I do expect it's going to be a chilly, wet day tomorrow with highs expected to make it through the mid to upper 30s. So we made some tweaks to this just moments ago with the latest data coming in. I'm going to call for up to 1/10 of an inch of ice in the Toledo Metro, Bowling Green. If you're south of Bowling Green and to the east, it's little to no ice accumulation, just a glaze, and our higher totals still to the north and west of the Toledo Metro. So slippery travel will be possible tomorrow morning due to the risk of freezing rain, but it will turn to all rain as we go through mid-morning. We've got our alert day in place, though, as we settle back close to the lower 30s overnight tonight, mid to upper 30s by the afternoon. It will all change to rain as we go through mid-morning tomorrow, and some soaking showers continue Wednesday, additional showers Thursday, upper 40s and low 50s. Quite a bit of a warm up on Thursday, then quiet Friday and Saturday, with Sunday, our next system that may bring rain and snow back to the area for the end of the weekend. Jeff.